morning everyone and welcome to your maths class, and I am your maths teacher Vinita Patel ma'am. So dear students, let's welcome. So today I am going to teach you chapter 3 multiplication. Okay students, so let's see what we will learn in this. Today I am going to teach you multiplication facts of 2. Okay, so let's see the facts of 2. So look everyone students, how many cherries are there? Okay, are you able to see cherries? 2 cherries are here. Okay, so 1, 2 equals to 2. So there are 2 cherries. We have to say it like this. 1, 2 equals to 2. So there are 2 cherries. Okay everyone. Now let's see how many cherries are here. 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Are you able to see? 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 2, 3, 4. 2 2's equals to 4. So we can say it like this. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4, or 2 2's equals to 4. So there are 4 cherries. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's see. Now we have to count few more. Okay, 2, then 2, then 2. Okay, so let's see. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4. These are 4, and 4 plus 2, 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are these? 6. So we can say it like this. 3 2's. 1 2, 2 2's, 3 2's. So 3 2's equals to 6. How many are these? 6. 2, 4 and 6. So 3 multiplied by 6, 2 equals to 6. There are 6 cherries. Okay everyone. Now there are 10 groups of 2 cherries each. So look everyone. There are 10 groups. How many groups are here? 10 groups. Okay, let's count the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 groups of 2 cherries each. Each group is having 2 cherries like this. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Let's count in 2's to find the number of cherries. Okay. So let's start counting. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. We can say it like this. 10 2's equals to 20. Okay. So dear students, let's count. 1 2's, 2 2's, 3 2's, 4 2's, 5 2's, 6 2's, 7 2's, 8 2's, 9 2's and 10 2's. We can write it like this. 10 2's equals to 20. 10 multiplied by 2 equals to 20. So we can say it like this. There are 20 cherries. Okay. So the number of cherries, how many cherries are here? There are 20 cherries. Okay everyone. So we can say it like this, that in this way we learn to make the table of 2. Okay. You all have learned. Now let's see how can we make the table of 2. Okay everyone. 1 2's equals to 2. 1 2's. One group is having 2 things is 2. Okay. 1 2 equals to 2. 2 2's equals to 4. 3 2s equals to 6. 4 2s equals to 8. 5 2s equals to 10. 6 2s equals to 12. 7 2s equals to 14. 8 2s equals to 16. 9 2s equals to 18. And 10 2s equals to 20. Let's see. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. And 18 plus 2, 20. Okay, everyone? 18 plus 2 equals to 20. We can say it like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So, dear students, you have to revise the table of 2 at home. Okay. So, now see, we are adding one more group each time. Okay. 1 2 is equals to 2. 2 2 is equals to 4. Okay. So, we can say it like this. 4. 3 2 is equals to 6. This number is wrong. Okay. So, what we have to do? We have to cut this number. Okay, everyone? How can we cut? We have to cut this number and we have to write down the number 4. Okay. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 2, 2 and 2, because this is a repeated addition also. 3 groups of 2 equals to 6. Okay. And one group of 2 things equals to 2. So, this is a type of 2 table. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Okay, everyone? So, thank you, everyone. I hope you all are able to understand the multiplication of 2. Okay? Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.